Who am I kidding? Today, I'm recording today's video. You don't read the title? What the f would you? Today, I'm screaming as loud as I can at 12 in the morning in Rocket League voice chats. Please help me, I'm sick. I'm editing and the audio did not pick up this part. Let's move on to the next one. Three, two, one. Okay, alright, let's get to the next one. Oh, okay, that was a good one. Lightning round. Okay, this is fast one. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna end the fucking video here.